The Mayor of London is a Muslim. The Mayor of Birmingham is a Muslim. The Mayor of Oxford is a Muslim. The Mayor of Luton is a Muslim. The Mayor of Blackburn is a Muslim. The Mayor of Sheffield is a Muslim. The Mayor of Brighton is a Muslim. All of this was achieved by only 4 million Muslims out of the 68 million people in United Kingdom. Today in England, there are over 2,000 mosques. There are over 100 Sharia courts in England, and there are more than 50 Sharia councils. 78% of Muslim women do not work and receive state support and free accommodation. 63% of Muslims do not work and receive state support and free housing. The number one most common baby name in England is Muhammad. This is not immigration, this is invasion. Islam is the second largest religion in the UK, 6.0% of the total population in the United Kingdom. London has the largest population and greatest proportion of Muslims in the country. And what is happening in your country, city, write in the comments.